Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download email header designs from Mailchimp, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. Log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new project. Select Email from the drop-down menu. Choose Design Email to proceed to the template selection. Browse the available templates and select one that suits your needs. Click on the chosen template to enter the email design editor. Customize your email header by editing text, images, and colors as desired. After making your changes, click on the Save button to ensure your progress. Now, locate the Preview and Test option in the top menu. Click on it, then choose Enter Preview Mode to see your email design. In the preview window, select the desktop or mobile view to check responsiveness. Once satisfied with your design, exit the preview. Return to the email design editor by closing the preview window. Now, click on the Download option located in the top right corner. Choose Download as PDF or Download as HTML based on your needs. Follow the prompts to save the file to your computer. Navigate to your Downloads folder to locate the file you just saved. Open the file to review your email header design. You have successfully downloaded your email header design from Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.